Welcome to My Name Is. In this lesson, we will learn how to say My name is. It is very important to get the name of the person you're talking to, and more importantly, to share your own name in German. My name in German is Mein Name ist, followed by your proper name. Mein Name ist Peter. Mein Name ist Petra. Some people use I am instead of my name is, therefore, ich bin instead of mein Name ist. Both ways works well. Ich bin is the same as mein Name ist. In this lesson, you learned how to say my name is in two different ways. Mein Name ist or ich bin, followed by your proper name. Repeat using your own name. Mein Name ist Ich bin. Welcome to What is your name? In this lesson, we'll learn how to say what is your name. In a formal situation, to ask someone what is your name in German, we say Wie ist Ihr Name? In an informal situation, to ask someone what is your name, we say Wie ist dein Name? The answer to Wie ist Ihr Name or Wie ist dein Name is Mein Name ist. In this lesson, you learned how to ask what is your name, so repeat after me. Wie ist Ihr Name? Wie ist dein Name?